Kayong tatlo ay i-deploy para sa isang undercover operation.
Ready.
What about further intel?
Well, can it be solved diplomatically?
This institution has been linked to suspected illegal drug distribution.
Drugs? Sa school?
Papapasukin ko kayo bilang mga estudyante. Blend in. Huwag kayong magpapahalata. Observe and report. At anumang anomalya sa loob ng school, kayo ang bahala.
Pero boss, ilang taon na kami hindi estudyante.
Then, adapt.
Siguro, itry natin mag-adapt.
You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
Teka lang. Bakit? Dito na tayo.
Tama eh. Kaso daming tao. Sunod mo observan natin.
Ito na maingay. Sige, natural na lang tayo.
Ako nga mukhang kayo na inala eh. Mukha ba?
Hindi naman.
Ang sikip pa ng uniform.
Ayos lang muna sa'yo.
Hello? Ano? Diyan na lang ba kayo kung maghapon? Tumabi nga kayo.
Samahan naman doon. Duro kasama eh.
Focus na tayo.
Kaya mo na, tara na.
O anong plano natin ngayon? Paano natin sisimulan to?
Bahala na.
Ikot-ikot na lang muna tayo.
Tara, dun tayo.
Walpin ko to dinikuan mo no?
Uy, hindi ah.
Anong hindi? Sa akin to. Binili ko to kahapon. Binili ko lang to kahapon tapos pinakaw mo agad. Grabe pa, napaka-ano mo.
Ano sila oh? Nag-aabutan na sila oh.
Kaya nga eh.
Highly speech ah. Paka-criminal. Ay.
Nakakausap pa rin sila.
Tatak? Di kaya ibig sabihin ng target acquired?
Hindi. Makinig ka. Parang ballpen lang yun. Ano ka ba dyan?
Oo, obvious naman. Konti na lang.
Confirmed! Posibleng contraband exchange. Dito pa talaga sa school.
Kaya nga eh.
Tapang ah.
Ito, isa lang. Promise mo yan. Ay. Okay lang pala.
Okay, settle down. Since I didn't properly introduce myself yesterday, again, I'm Miss Joy, and this will be my last year here as graduate. Oh! I only have bar notes in my class. I hate it, Thomas. Fire shit now! Could you please take off your earbuds? This is a classroom. And I was saying earlier, I want professionalism here. Laminin mo lang ako kanina. Bago niya mag-treat ko lang. Ano naman ba yun?
Hindi ka na namin. Tutulog ka. Aray na pala.
Hoy, di ba alam kung gaano mamahal yan? Gustong po kayo sa teacher, mga baliw!
Sayang pang pulburo namin. Ang mahal-mahal na asukan at harina kayo.
Kulang pa sa asukal to eh.
Alin?
Malis tayo!
Cutting classes, physical assault, and now you're starting baking ingredients. You may have been the biggest headaches this week.
Excuse me po, miss. Pero...
Save it. I looked up your names in the school database. You aren't even enrolled here. You aren't in the system at all. Trespassing on government property is a serious offense. I'm not handling this. You're going straight to the principal for clarification now. Move!
So, what's the commotion?
Napunta kami dito sa school kasi may nagaganap na drug exchange.
Illegal drugs? Illegal transactions? No! Where did you even get the idea? I guarantee you that there are no such criminal activities taking place in this school.
po kaming rason para maniwala na itong eskwela na to ay nagpa-front ng major smuggling ring.
This is a school operated by the government. How exactly would criminal activities take place in here? And as per your investigation, you found nothing, did you not? Isn't that enough reason for us to be free of suspicion?
Perhaps po na misinformed kami. Alis na lang po kami.
Pasensya na po ulit.
Thank you for the heads up, Carlos.
Ako tutulungan! Ah! Anong ibig sabihin nito, Carlos? Hindi mo ba nakikita yung mga pangyayari? Ah!
What a shame. You were steps away from letting us go scot-free. But you just had to be sharp.
Ikaw, matik mo na kami nagkakaliap. Bakit di mo lang babaan yung baril mo? Wala naman ng kwenta yung pag-uusapan natin kasi malalaglag na kayo eh.
This espionage mission is the one that's pointless.
Pati ka na sumuko. Huli ko naman namin eh. Hindi naman tatagat sa station.
You big girl! Move!
Chris, taas mo kami ito.
Kayong dalawa ay na-arrest sa paglabag sa maraming krimen at sa paglabas sa gobyerno.
Just you two maggots wait. My superiors will hear about this.
Rinig mo yun, boss? Meron na tayong pruweba. Pakisandalan dito ng mga backup galing sa headquarters. Huli natin itong mga kriminal na to.